Back, ladies and gentlemen, as we take a look at the numbers from the second set. Ateneo was behind most of that set. Tapos bigla sa dulo, nung binalik na yung starting lineup ni Parley Tupas, yun, nanalo rin sila.
Yes, and alam mo, maganda rin ang nangyari doon because I really think it's all about learning dito sa Ateneo squad. Dahil yung pinasok yung mga bago, ang tagal di ba? We were expecting ilalabas na kagad, pero talagang pinanindigan ni Coach Parley. And eventually, nung meron siguro siyang certain level na, sige, dito na, pwede na pasukin na yung mga starters.
At least dumikit pa rin.
And still, they were able to get the set. So, it's like building of confidence with the entire team. Hindi lang basta dun sa starters, hindi rin lang basta dun sa mga baguhan.
Nung pinasok nga yung kanyang bench players in that in the early part of the second set, parang 15 points yung nilaro nila. At saka yung pinakamalaking...
Actually, 16.
Oh, 16. Pinakamalaking kalamangan lang ng Philippine Navy was 3 points, which is a good sign also for them. Oh, Prochina uses her left hand. Kita mo naman, konting tulak lang.
Pa.
Tied at 1. And if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Tajima, Liposoy, and Susan Ferrer.
Back set to Herbacio.
Muntik nang mabura yung iced tea ko dito. Galing sa Shakey's. Favorite ko yung iced tea na Shakey's. Ito ngayon, si Tejada coming back in the game, replacing May Tajima.
She's coming in to serve. And for defense. Dahil siya sa likod.
Which is strange because Tejada is listed as a center. So Tejada, good serve.
Good server.
Laborte. Prochina, pero naunahan siya doon ni Kainglet. Carpio across. Tejada is there. Gretchen Ho nauna, lundag sa talon.
Hindi nag-connect.
Sabi niya kay Jem, ang taas.
Teka, hindi ako si Tajima.
Nasanay
si
kay
Gretch
Tajima.
na ako.
Nasanay, ha? 2-all.
May Prochina on the line to serve for the Philippine Navy.
Valdez into the net.
Not the right angle when you're coming from the back row. Masyadong sharp.
Alam mo, gusto mo yung magiging aggressive, pero pag yung aggressive na wala po pupuntahan, nakakasakit din yun sa team.
Binalik agad din siya. Pawin mo.
Rosale. Nice dig there by Ferrer. Here's Kainglet. And Prochina could not get there in time.
Sabi niya, the mind is willing, but the flesh is weak.
Hindi ako nagsabi niyan.
Hindi kaya.
Hindi ako nagsabi niyan.
I love you, my
Tied at 3. Rosale with the free ball. Combination! You cannot stop that. Ang ganda ng benta ni Gretchen Ho doon.
That's right. And ang ganda rin naman ng finish. Itong si Z.
That's deserving of another look actually later on if we get the chance. Bentang quick play. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League.
It also didn't help that they had the single blocker in Rosales.
Right. And that one goes through. Eileen Susan able to get it done. Tied at 4. And let's take a look at this one again. Tingnan mo yung benta rito. Tingnan mo yung benta rito ni Gretchen Ho. Huwag committed ka talaga. Biglang, meron pa pala rin sa likuran. That's gotta be one of the plays of the day already. Herbacio. Ferrer. Valdez off the block. Laborte got to it. And this will not get through.
The effort was there. Carpio run for it. Ito rin si Liposoy.
So 5-4. Ateneo with the lead. Ito si Herbacio kung naging basketball player to matatawagan ng 5 seconds sa free throw. Daming dribble. And that one goes back.
It's a good ball.
That time it's a quick set. And Eliza tries to get it back. Laporte is there. Rosale on the setup for Galindo into the net. You can see they're having fun though.
Yes. I was going to say, look at the communication of the Philippine Navy inside.
Yeah.
Talaga nag-uusap sila. maingay. Masayang maglaro ng volleyball pag ganyan eh.
Isipin mo, nung kapanahonan pa nila when they were really stars
Oh,
in volleyball.
Nako, you should have seen some of these athletes play. Nasa Pilipinas, si Joan Botor,
Yeah.
si Mayi,
Oo.
Regina, si Nene Ibanez. Oh my goodness.
Here's Gretchen Hall right now. Ateneo has to recycle this offense. Valdez goes through them.
Alam mo, Noel, nagagalingan ka talaga, di ba? Tayo lahat nagagalingan tayo kay Roxanne Pimentel.
Oo naman.
Ate, nanay niya tong si Nene. Ganun kagaling niya.
Si Roxanne Pimentel
Oh.
is like kung tinatawag na si Taiwan the Great Wall of Thailand. Si Roxanne Pimentel is the Great Wall of the Philippines.
At mami niya tong si Nene, ganun
Ayun pa.
kagaling to.
Oo.
Oh, so galing lang siya kay Nene.
Oh, wow. That serve went wide from Hervasio. So 7-5 right now. Ateneo protecting this 2-point lead. Si Posoy into the net.
Sayang din yung mga errors na nako-commit ng Philippine Navy dahil close naman yung ating score.
Well, 8-5 Ateneo. First technical timeout, set number 3.